Good day, everyone. I am your teacher for today's discussion. I am Ludimi Iruluna. And before anything else, we will have this activity that will lead us to our discussion. And for this activity, I hope you guys will participate, enjoy, and have fun. And these activities, I want you guys to divide yourselves into two groups by counting. I will personally give you the instruction. So, how's the activity? Did you have fun? In this activity, we can see that our topic is all about vocabulary. And before anything else, let me read our intended learning outcomes. At the end of discussion, the students will be able to assess variety of vocabulary building activities and learning styles, explain the principles of error correction and grammar instruction, and demonstrate understanding and the connectedness of vocabulary, grammar, and functions. Vocabulary refers to all words in a certain language that people use to communicate. In teaching vocabulary, we need these components as our guide to the activities we are going to conduct to our students. Components of spoken, we can ask the students to read aloud the words in a story that they are going to read. Let them enunciate the words correctly. So as your activity, I want you guys to read this short story. Okay? So in the components of written, you can have some dictation exercise. Okay? And in this way, you can use words to sentences. And you can let the students point out the correct spelling of those words. And also, they will wrap their brains out and utilize the vocabulary or the words that they have to form a sentence. Isn't it amazing? Okay. For instance, the word beautiful. You can just simply utter the word beautiful to your students and they can use that word to describe someone who is beautiful inside the class. Okay? And also, you can have some pictures. And those pictures, you can let them describe these pictures or colors or any materials you can use to let them have sentences to describe a certain scenarios. The next is the word parts. In word parts, you can ask the students to complete word maps or word tables or word bags. In this way, you can also teach them the suffix, prefix, or root words. You have to label each part or have them labeled where is the suffix or where is the prefix or where is the root words. I have this example, the prefix an and the suffix in. You can do this by groups or you can also do this as individuals. You can use this as some kind of participation inside the class. And you can also suggest the materials as playing games in application, offline applications or online applications. So these are for the word parts. So do you understand? Okay, let us proceed. The next is the meaning. In meaning, you can ask the students to choose the correct word to be used in a certain context. You can also use picture illustrations or cards, flashcards that will illustrate what is happening in that picture. Okay? So it's going to be that fun. So this picture clearly shows that this child is eating her breakfast or her lunch. Okay? So these are the components of teaching vocabulary. Now, let's go to grammar. In grammar, we can now proceed to the next presenter.